How to get $100 Uber Eats promo code. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Uber Eats promo code and wait for a while for it to load. You will be landing on Space. Scroll all the way down and different sites will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me move into this one. It will lead you to this page. Right here, scroll all the way down and tons of different offers and discounts will be visible to you. From here, search for the $100 promo code and then move into it. Let's say this is the $100 promo code. Simply click on it. Here you can see the promo code will be visible to you. All you want to do is tap on copy. Once you have copied this promo code, you can head over to your application Uber Eats and then apply this promo code. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get $100 promo code on Uber Eats. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.